Alright, ladies and gentlemen, very quickly here I'm going to go over something real quick. I did a video of this on Windows using storage spaces. I'm just going to show you quickly how to access a similar feature on the MacOSX platform, should you be so inclined to do so. Again, I'm doing this on a laptop recording, so for most people you're going to be doing something like this on a desktop, but as I explained in the previous video, same, very similar concept, only using disk utility on the MacOSX. So we'll be accessing the Raid Assistant. So you'll go up to the top right corner here, the little search bar, and you're going to type in disk utility. Hit enter. Now, one other thing I want to point out, if you see right here where it says 33.78 gigs of purgeable memory, if you ever want to know what that is, that's actually files that are stored via iCloud and haven't been used recently. So it's stuff that the computer's going to automatically detect to overwrite, and then you can re-download it from iCloud as the files are needed. So it'll basically just send it right back up to iCloud. It's an interesting feature, so we'll see how well it turns out. But you don't need to worry about that. There's nothing wrong with it. So what you'll do is you'll go from disk utility up to the top left. You're going to hit File and go all the way down to Raid Assistant. You're going to click that, and you have your options for a striped volume, also known as RAID 0, which writes data across different files. There's a little description right here that you can see, and writes data across multiple drives, which increases the speed and access to that data, which is typically what I use on my main system. And then you have a mirrored RAID, which is a RAID 1. That's an exact copy of one set of data on two or more disks. So that's for redundancy. And then this is something interesting. You have a Jbod, which is a group of disks that are connected together to create a larger disk, but it's not actually a RAID. It's something that I've never tried this before, so I may at one point or another get a couple of external drives and enclosure and plug them together and see how well each of these actually works on the Mac platform. But it would be really interesting to see. But what you do is you'll hit next, it'll bring up your drives, you'll select the drives that you have in play, and then follow the prompts throughout. It's actually a very simple process. But anywho, that's all I wanted to show you guys today, so hopefully this is helpful to someone as far as knowing where it is. And again, I'm going to be trying to find content for some more in-depth videos, both on the Windows platform and potentially a little bit on the Mac platform as well. So we'll find out how well that goes. But I hope you all enjoy, and thanks for watching.